A solution of copper sulfate is electrolyzed for 10 minutes with a current of 1.5 ampere. What is the mass of copper deposited at the cathode? So first of all, copper is depositing at cathode, and at cathode reduction takes place. So the reaction taking place at cathode is Cu plus 2 will undergo reduction to form Cu. So copper is deposited at cathode. Now we have to calculate what is the mass of the copper deposited at the cathode. First we will calculate the equivalent weight of the copper. Equivalent weight is equal to atomic weight by valency. Equivalent weight is equal to atomic weight by valency. Atomic weight of the copper is 63.5, valency is 2, so equivalent weight is 31.75 grams. Valency you can see here, Cu plus 2, so valency is 2, atomic weight is 63.5 by 2, 31.75 grams is equivalent weight of the copper. Now according to the Faraday's first law, W is equal to E by 96,500 into I into T, where W is weight of the copper deposited at cathode, E is equivalent weight of the copper, I is the current in amperes, T is time in seconds. First we have to calculate here weight of the copper deposited at cathode. Equivalent weight we calculated already, that is 31.75 by 96,500, and current and time. You can see in the problem 1.5 amperes current is passed through electrolyte, that is CuSO4, in 10 minutes. So here I is 1.5, T is 10 minutes, but time should be in seconds, 10 into 60. So zeros we can cancel, and if you multiply and if you divide with 965, you'll get the value 0.296 grams is the weight of the copper deposited at cathode.